Many of us enjoy the convenience of an automatic garage door opener. An exterior keypad is a great feature, but eventually they can fail and need to be replaced. This isn't a difficult task. This particular keypad is about 15 years old. It still works most of the time, but it's certainly showing signs of age. We'll remove it and replace it with a new one. Done. Programming it is more simple than you might think. Access the rear of the opener unit and locate the Learn button. Press the button until the small light turns on. You'll have about 30 seconds to press your 4-digit code into the keypad and press Enter. The opener light will operate when it accepts your signal. Now do a quick test, and you're done. Replacing a keypad or installing one for the first time is simple, and you can do it.